This was one of mommy's favorites, and it became my favorite automatically. See, I never knew you could pair this with AKPLE, and pairing this with a wademe, oh my goodness, it was so delicious. I have so many ways I prepare my Fetri Toto, as you can see on the screen, but we always pair this with green plantains. Oh yes, I know you say, ew, how? That was my reaction when I saw my mother doing this, and so she told me, try it before you speak against it. And when I tried it, oh my goodness, this was perfect, delicious and tasty. So as you can see, I'm cutting my okro. Okay, so the first day Joy saw me eating this, he was like, it looks like Fetri Toto. Then I was like, what is Fetri Toto? He said, it's a recipe. So I never knew this was a recipe until Tio told me. The whole of this month is all about recipes, and I'm doing this to honor my late mom. Tomorrow, 23rd September, will be exactly 10 years she visited God. May her beautiful soul rest well, and may she continue to watch over us. To you watching this, thank you for clicking on this video. So as you can see, I'm cutting my jute leaves, ayoyo or ademe, anyhow you will call it. Thank you so much. Now the next ingredient is pepper and ginger, then tomatoes. Okay, so I'm done prepping the ayoyo, and that is my vegan ice cream. You know, the kitchen will be very hot, and also I have my onions. Okay, so making this, if you are not able to make it perfectly, you may not like it, to be honest with you. So I've added my pepper, and I've poured some water, and also I've added my seasoning because we want the okro to taste good. Okay, I have my mushrooms here. I have seasoned my mushrooms with my vegetable seasoning. Our okro is ready, so I seasoned my fish earlier, and after that I will just coat it with some all-purpose flour and then fry it. I wanted to add this to the soup, but we got some visitor and he really enjoyed my fish. He was like, what is that? It smells good, can I taste it? I said, oh yeah. He chewed some and was like, oh my goodness, it is so good. So none was left. I have my jute leaves on fire. Okay, now we'll go ahead and grind that. So if you don't have the grinder that I'm using, you can even use something to mash it, if only you are not using the onions and the ginger. Okay, you can use it to mash your okro and everything that we will use in this recipe. Now go ahead and add my tomatoes, okay, and every other thing that I need to grind. So in the Ewe language, we call okro Fetri, and with the Toto, we are trying to say that pounded. Okay, pounded. The okro was pounded, so pounded okro Fetri Toto. That is why we were able to get this name. I'm done grinding or pounding my okro, so now I'll go ahead and add my ademe and then mix it very well, or stir it. Okay, now I'll add all my proteins and then give it a stir. If you watch me till this point and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so for me. It is actually free. Follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and it is free as well. Now I have my oil on fire. I'll go ahead and add my chopped onions. I added some tomatoes. I've added some seasoning to taste. Okay, and then stir it very well. Thank you so much for your precious time. I do appreciate it. Now it is ready. I'll just pour it on a Fetri Toto or pounded okro. Okay, and just look at that, so delicious, perfect, and I fell in love with it. Especially adding the ademe to it. Oh my goodness, I loved it. Just try it and you will also love it. And when I got this, I really enjoy. Just look at that soft ewedeme. If you want the recipe for the ewedeme, check it on YouTube or Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I did not enjoy this alone. The family loved it, and I will just leave you here. Thank you so much for your time, and so we meet again. Always know that I love you. See you in the next video. Bye. So delicious. You like it? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's too hot.
It's what? But you are enjoying. Oh my goodness.
I'm eating that one.
You love it.
Enjoy your food.
You enjoy my food. I know that.
It's so yummy.
It's so yummy.
You win.
I won.